Hi everyone, how are you doing? And welcome to our channel. And today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we remove unwanted softwares or unwanted applications from our computers. Sometimes we don't have any idea that there are lots of unwanted softwares or applications installed in our system and which consumes some amount of RAM and our storage. So we need to delete them from our system, and for this we need to go to start and then to control panel. Here it is, and then view it as in small icons, and there you can see programs and features. Okay, and there you can see the list of the applications that has been installed in your system, and simply choose any one which you don't want in your computer. Okay, suppose I want this Wondershare recover it to be uninstalled from my system. Okay, here you can see its details. Wondershare recover it, and the date installed, and the size is 295 MB. If I want to uninstall this, simply double tap on it. Are you sure you want to completely remove Wondershare recover it and all of its components? Okay, click on yes. Wondershare recover it uninstall complete. Some elements could not be removed. This can be removed manually. Okay, and some of the components will be removed after we restart our system. Okay, so in this way we have successfully removed this Wondershare recover it program from our computer. And in this way you can remove other unwanted softwares from your computers. And friends, this much for today. I hope you like this video, so please share this video and like this, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching.